Barnaby, why does everyone always leave a mess at the crossroads? The elder says this hollow was the most beautiful place in the forest when he was young, like a piece of heaven on earth.
It still is, Pip, but a masterpiece needs a master's touch, or thousands of little masterpiece helpers. A garden doesn't tend itself. That's what God asked us to do, remember? Genesis style.
Look, it's alive down there. But we can't fix this whole area. It's too big. The thorns are everywhere.
We don't fix the whole forest today, Pip. We fix this spot. He said to look after creation. He didn't say we had to do it all at once. We show up. We do the small thing.
It's so little.
Doesn't look like much.
I will clear this land. And it will be beautiful.
We will build a circle of stones to protect it.
Gasping. It worked! It didn't just grow, it started a whole garden! The creek is coming back!
When you are faithful with a few things, He blesses the big things. We only gave half a seed, Pip, but we gave it with all our hearts.